Just stay still, Noah. Just stay still. What do you think, Noah?
I think it's good.
That's good. The duck is afraid of the camera, I think. Okay, so you understand why you have to move slowly, right? That's good, Noah. Shake it like that. I think he's full. Oh, man, no, maybe he's hungry. Don't shake it too much. He has to stick his bill in there. Okay, yeah, hold it so he can get to it. Alright, maybe let me try it a little bit.
Okay.
I'll give it back to you. No. Hold it.